Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will see about Google Cardboard, how to set up Google Cardboard in Unity editor, all the installation process, and will create a simple immersive VR app like this. So we will create a 3D environment for that, and here is a we will select this default built-in render pipeline and we will give VR app and yeah, we will uncheck this and we'll create 3D project, simple 3D project. So here we go, we have empty Unity project and it's empty completely, and we can see these are default packages added. So we will add now Google VR Cardboard package to this. Also, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe because we will add some more video and game development, especially in Unity. So stay connected. So here we are in the Google Cardboard Unity setup. This is the link and I will provide it in a description. You can go through there. And this is the setup steps that Google provided. Is the official page. And this is the package that we have to import. That's a GitHub URL. We'll copy this and now we will add package in this. So we'll go to package manager and we have already copied the URL, so we will just press here plus sign and here git URL. We will paste the URL and we will add it from here. It is installing. Yeah, it is downloaded now and it is asking for update. Also we have to restart the editor. So we have restarted the editor and this Cardboard XR plugin installed. It is asking for update. I'll update it. From here also you can go to documentation. It will navigate to the same URL and it is updating, but don't know why it is showing this. Okay, let's forget this. So we have now this VR and also we can import some samples here in sample window. We can import from here Google Cardboard sample scenes and I think it is imported here. So we can see hello Cardboard scenes are here. So if I press it, so we can see, but currently it is not moving in editor. So we have to add XR simulator, but that will add in next video because this will be long video enough for this setup process. So subscribe channel. We will see a simulation process, how we can simulate this. We can rotate it through mouse and using WSD key we can move left right. So this kind of thing we can do. So first I will add one more package and that is my asset and one is fantasy skybox. Yeah, this is images we can see. This is fine, I think. How much size it is? Oh my god, 129. Okay, let's import it. Oh, we need only few of them. Okay, just down import it. And after this we have some settings also, but first let me create a immersive environment. So this is a skybox package installed now, and other assets are I will search here low poly, and here low poly. So these are the assets that I added, and low poly environment pack. Yeah, this is that which I'm expecting. Yeah, so import this. So we have imported everything whichever is needed for this video, and now we have sample scene. We will duplicate this scene and add it here, and we'll rename it cardboard scene. And so I'm in this environment, low poly environment demo 1 scene, and I can see here different environment objects are there. So what I will do, I'll create a environment empty object, and I'll reset it. I'll add this grass which is needed for me, plant environment rock stone inside this, and I'll create a separate prefab here for now, and then I'll go to Google Cardboard scene, don't save, and here I'll disable this text also, and this tracer also, and now we will add our prefab here, environment prefab, and here we can see player camera is there and point light is there. We will disable it, and we will add a direction light here. Yeah, so it will look like this, player camera, and where is this camera? Let's play this. Yeah, so light we will make few adjustment to make like that. Yeah, now it is looking fine, and intensity also I will increase it to 2, not 2, 1.5 is enough, I think. And this is also, and yeah, this is cool. So our scene is created now, and yeah, so this is VR scene we created, and here we have 3D immersive environment for VR. And in next video we will see how to create Android build. We will see Google Cardboard setting for Android platform, and we will create a build. So if you like this video, press thumbs up sign in the bottom of the video, and if you have any query then you can comment us, and for future videos subscribe our channel, and in next video we will create Android build. So stay connected.